And some news just coming in. Actor Arjun Rampal's brother-in-law has been arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau from Goa. Rampal's brother-in-law arrested after the joint operation by Mumbai and Goa unit of the NCP. The drugs recovered from Arjun Rampal's brother-in-law in Goa, and he has now been held by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Divyesh is getting us more details on that story. Divyesh, in fact, Rampal's brother-in-law, including his partner, Rampal's partner, were already under the scanner of the Narcotics Control Bureau and had been questioned in the past as well, isn't it?
This is for the third time that Arjun Rampal's girlfriend Gabriella's brother Egihialo Dimitri has been arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Earlier, he was arrested last year in the month of October in connection with the case number 1620, which is also known as the Sushant Singh Rajput drug case by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Following the arrest, he was interrogated, and then his links to some other drug peddlers in another case came to light. He was placed under arrest again after that. He had been released on bail in the month of December, following which he had to abide by the bail restrictions. As per the bail order, he had to comply with all the restrictions that had been placed on him. NCB received a specific input that Egihialo Dimitri was in Goa and was in possession of drugs and was also allegedly dealing into these drugs, following which this particular hotel located in Pernem, North Goa was raided. Egihialo was taken into custody and an intermediate amount of hashish was found on him. He was produced in court and now he is being sent to judicial custody.
All right, judicial custody for the brother-in-law of actor Arjun Rampal. Divyesh, thanks for getting us all of those details.